These gigantic head-on shrimp are very delicious when marinated and grilled, and they make a very impressive presentation. However, you don't have to use shrimp this large. This recipe would work just as well with any large or extra large shrimp. Grilling is easy. I'll show you how. First, we clean the shrimp. And to clean a shrimp with the shell on, we cut down the back of the shrimp with a sharp knife, just through the shell, and then open it up a little bit and take out the intestinal tract. And that's really what this is down the back. So rinse them well in cold water and put them in one layer in a glass dish. We're going to now prepare the marinade and leave these overnight. For the marinade, lemongrass. This is a really delicious marinade with a very lovely flavor. Use the white part of the lemongrass. It's quite tough, and so use a good sharp knife to cut it into slices. And these slices will flavor the marinade. So here's your lemongrass, some coriander seeds, a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 3 or 4 dried red chilies, some slices of lime, approximately a half a lime sliced, and some cloves of garlic. And you can just smash them. You can hear them break and you smash them like that. And put that right in too. And then a half a cup of vegetable oil. And then pour this all over the shrimp. Cover with some plastic wrap and marinate overnight. And here are the marinated shrimp. They smell excellent. A generous sprinkling of pepper and salt. The skewers I have soaked in water. It prevents the skewers from burning if you do that. And then just skewer right from the head to the tail like that. And put them right on the hot part of your grill. The straight skewer is very good because it does prevent them from curling up. If you put this on without a skewer, the shrimp would curl up into a little round. So pretty. These should take just a few minutes, 3 to 4 minutes to grill through. Now, of course, I'm doing this on an indoor griddle pan, but you can do this on an outdoor grill. Just don't char these to death because they'll cook too fast and they will be really dry if you overcook them. So there, they are looking very good. Oh, look at the great color they're turning. When grilling or broiling shrimp is very easy because unlike some shellfish, shrimp never stick to the grill, especially when you have the shells intact as we do. And grilling shrimp in their shells like this keeps them moist and tender. 8 minutes, perfectly done. 4 minutes per side. And there is. And serve them hot with a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve with a frosty margarita. Your guests are going to love them.